how to pay someone in Splitwise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to show you how you can pay someone in Splitwise. So let's just get started. So before you can pay anyone through Splitwise, you will need to set up your payment option. So once you're on your Splitwise home screen, open up the group or expense where you owe money. So here you will be seeing the breakdown of who owes you money. For example, this person has $25 that I owe him. So once you tap on that person's account, you can find different options available here. So you're gonna look up for the option called settle up at the top side below the profile. You'll be asked to choose how you can pay just by clicking on settle up, and you can choose of a different payment method you have set earlier. And after that, you just need to enter the payment details, make sure the amount is correct. And once everything looks good, you can hit confirm and pay to send the payment to your friend or group. And once your payment is successful, Splitwise will update the balance and mark the debt as paid, or you're all settled up. So you can find this section, expenses, which means it has been paid. And that is it. Paying someone through Splitwise is that simple. So now you can easily settle up and keep your finances in check with your friends, family, and roommates. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing money and keeping things organized. And let me know in the comments if you have got any questions. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.